8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same movement but with larger hand movements like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. One important thing, doing more exercise for the core does not mean you will reduce your belly fat. You have to. If you want to reduce belly fat, three fundamental habits you should have. One is you have to do up, pull your stomach in, lift your shoulders up. पेट अंदर, कंधे ऊपर, हाथ ऊपर. Anyone who has stomach issues, acidity problem, women in their monthly cycles, should not pull your stomach, just lift your shoulders up. ठीक है? इसको आप बैठे बैठे भी कर सकते हो, जैसे आपको ठीक लगे. Ready? Go for it.
હા જેટલું એવું જ છે કાલ સાંજે તું મસ્ત કહું
અવાજ જતો રહ્યો ને બંધ કરાય જ છે બંધ કરાય
And let go. 20 repetitions करने हैं. एक राउंड में 20 बार रिपीट करना है और ऐसे 2 राउंड और करेंगे. Okay, one more time. Lift your hands up. Ready? Go for it. And let go. एक आखिरी राउंड करना है इसके बाद. Take your hands up again. Continue. And relax. पैरों में थोड़ा अंतर बढ़ा के रखना है. Keep slightly more distance between your feet. Again, you have two options. You can do it with me sitting or you can do standing also. However you feel like. अगर लग रहा है थक गए हैं, आराम से बैठ के कर सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. दोनों हाथों को ऐसे 45 डिग्री पे रख दो. 45 degrees. Now you have to take your any one side to the other like this. 1 and go back. 2 and go back. 3 back. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Relax. We will repeat it one more time. अगर आपका हाथ ऊपर तक नहीं जाता है तो आप ऐसे सामने रख सकते हैं. ओके. आप अगर आप इफ यू कैन कीप इट लाइक अप अगेन लाइक दिस ऐसे. अगर नहीं तो आप यहाँ रखो ऐसे. 1. So you have to feel it in the side of your abdominal region. जो एरिया हम जिस पे काम कर रहे हैं वो कौन सा है? Side of the abdominal region. Stretch your hands out. One more time. Same side. 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this time we do the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Okay. So we are working on the side of the abdominal region in the starting, and then when we do lying down, we will work on the core. I mean core as in like the stomach region more. ये भी पेट के आसपास के हिस्से पे ही काम कर रहे हैं अभी भी. One more time, lift up. Same side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now, the next one that we do is take your hands up and bring it down. If you can go all the way down to the floor. अगर बैक पेन के इश्यूज है तो पूरा नीचे नहीं जाएंगे. Lift it up again and go on the other side. Continue. 1, slow and steady, and 2, go back up, 3, धीरे धीरे, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. You can do 10 more if you wish to. आपको अगर और 10 करना है तो आप 10 कर सकते हो. Otherwise, you can just keep sitting. Okay, continue by yourself. If you're taking a break, breathe long and deep so that your body recovers faster. Count.
પાટું તો હવે થોડું ખાવું પડે ને પછી પછી કે પગ દુખે ને પીછળ દુખે. કરવું છે પગ દુખાવો મટાડવો છે.
Relax.
એક બે દિવસ દુખશે ત્રીજા દિવસે રેગ્યુલર.
Relax.
એમની આ બધું ભેગું એમ.
Now, this time you take your hands up and touch your left foot with the right hand. Bring it back. Right foot with the left hand. Bring it back. Go for it. पूरा नीचे तक नहीं जाना है. एक मिनट, इसका मैं वेरिएशन दिखा देता हूँ फिर साथ में करेंगे. आप वैसे तो बैठ के कर सकते हो. अदरवाइज अगर आप स्टैंडिंग कर रहे हो और आप नीचे नहीं जा सकते हो, लाइक दिस. यू टच योर नी. डोंट गो टू द फुट. टच योर नी. ठीक है, चलो. लेट्स डू स्टैंडिंग और सिटिंग, योर चॉइस. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. इसको एक बार और कर लेते हैं. पूरा नीचे जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can also touch the knee. That's it. Take your hands up again. Go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax and settle down. Always remember, if you have back issues or knee issues, you follow the instructions properly. Okay? आराम से बैठ जाओ और रादर आराम से लेट जाओ. पीठ के बल लेट जाओ. Lie down on your back. You have two options. Either you can keep your hands under your glutes, or you can also keep a pillow under your glutes or the neck region. तो जब 4 एक्सरसाइजेस करते हैं, मतलब पेट की एक्सरसाइजेस, तो जहाँ पे प्रेशर फील हो, मान लीजिए बैक में प्रेशर फील हो तो बैक के नीचे एक पिलो रख दो. गर्दन के नीचे अगर प्रेशर फील हो तो गर्दन के नीचे पिलो रख दो. Pillow will support you to have better structure and better activation of the muscles. Now the first thing that we do is extend our hands. Now simply bring your knees without your hand support to the chest region and then go back. Simple movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now, everything that we do lying down on the back, most of the times we do it twice. 1, for you to see and understand. Round 2, try not looking at the screen and do it with only instructions. दूसरी बार जब करते हैं तो स्क्रीन पे नहीं देखेंगे, गर्दन को न्यूट्रल रखेंगे, सीधा रखेंगे. Go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now, keep your hands under your glutes. In case you have pillow, which is okay. अगर पहले से पिलो रखा हुआ है, बढ़िया बात है, नहीं तो हाथ कमर के नीचे रख दो. Now we are going to do forward cycle. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Now same, we have to do reverse. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now, what we are going to do next is called Ardha Halasan, but this time we are going to fold Ardha Halasan with hands reaching to our feet. So रोज हम अर्धा हलासन करते ही है, आज उसमें थोड़ा वेरिएशन लेकर आएंगे. दोनों पैर ऊपर लेकर जाओ ऐसे पहले, घुटने सीधे रखो जितने हो सके, and take your hands towards your feet. You are not holding it, touching it. हाथ से पकड़ना नहीं है, सिर्फ हाथ ऊपर ले जाना है. अगर गर्दन में तकलीफ लगे तो गर्दन को ऊपर मत लेकर जाए. Stay there, hold. If you feel neck has an issue, don't lift your head up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Remember, if the pressure feels on the back or neck, we immediately stop. अगर गर्दन में या पीठ में प्रेशर फील हो तो आपको रुक जाना है, ठीक है? इसका राउंड 2 करेंगे. Again, if you want, take your time, get a pillow so that you can support your lower back. चाहिए तो आप थोड़ा समय लेके पिलो लेकर आ जाइए अगर चाहिए तो. Otherwise, you can use your hand also. Sorry, इसमें तो हाथ नहीं यूज कर सकते. You have to lift your legs up. Keep your knees bent if you want to make it easier. And take your hands towards your feet. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. And we will do it one last time. एक आखिरी बार कर लेते हैं. Lift up and lift your hands towards your feet. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now extend your hands 90 degrees. दोनों हाथों को फैला दीजिए. Again, 2 options. Keep your knees at 90 or keep your legs straight. दोनों पैरों को ऐसे ऊपर उठा लो या पूरा सीधा भी रख सकते हो, जैसे आपको ठीक लगे. And now slowly take your legs left to right. हल्का हल्का लेफ्ट टू राइट मूवमेंट करना है. कंट्रोल मूवमेंट चाहिए, बिल्कुल भी कहीं जर्क नहीं, कहीं पे भी अनकंट्रोल नहीं, रैंडमली नहीं चाहिए. स्मूथ मूवमेंट विथ कंट्रोल. I hope you understand what it means. Okay, don't go down too much. Just be in the range where you can control the movement. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And bring it down. One more time, lift up. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. For Pavan Muktasan, bring your knees closer to the chest. And now make circles with your knees. घुटनों से circle बनाओ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax the whole body. Prepare for Setu Bandhasana. Heels close to the body, knees pointing up, and lift your waist up. 1 and down. 10 times up and down. 2. So when we talk about core, it's not just your stomach, it is also your lower back. 5. कोर मतलब सिर्फ पेट नहीं है, उसमें आपका लोअर बैक का स्ट्रेंथ भी उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. 9, 10. लेट गो. So जितना पेट का मसल स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए, उतना ही पीठ का मसल भी स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए, because both of them are anyways connected. Now let's go for it again. Lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Supta Kapotasana, left ankle on the right thigh. Bring your right knee closer to the chest. And alternate is Ardha Pavan Muktasana. Hold. And the other side. And relax. Extend your hands 90 degrees. Now take your right foot and keep it on the left knee like this. And now look to the right side and take your right knee to the left as much as possible. Final twist का एक थोड़ा variation. Now, touching the knee is touching the floor with your knee is not mandatory. अगर पूरा जाता है नीचे तो बढ़िया, otherwise it's okay to not keep it in the air and just twist as much as possible. And relax. The other side, look to the left and take your left knee to the right side, like that.
હવે ડાબો પગ ગાળીને જમણા ટીચર ઉપર અને જમણી સાઈડ વળવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરવાનો.
One more time. Look to the right and take your right knee to the left. Twist as much as possible. And let go. The other side, look to the left and twist to the right. Take your left knee to the right side. And relax. पूरे शरीर को ढीला छोड़े. 20-30 seconds of complete relaxation. Let go the control on your breath also. सांसों को भी एकदम पूरी तरह ढीला छोड़. Slowly turn around and lie down on your stomach. पेट के बल लेट जाओ. Make a fist of your hand, keep it under your groin region. दोनों हाथों की मुट्ठी बना के जंघा के नीचे रख दे. And lift both your legs up for Shalabhasana. Hold it. Remember to keep breathing long and deep. And bring it down. Relax. Hands under your shoulders. Lift your head and chest up. Bhujangasana, Ardha Bhujangasana. Now, if you can pull your toes in, पैरों की उंगलियों को अंदर की तरफ खींचो. And lift your body up like this. So this becomes a plank pose. This becomes a half plank or a full plank pose. And you can relax again. Watch and then we'll do it one more time. तो ऐसे आपने पहले elbows पे या हाथों पे आप आ गए. उसके बाद आपने कमर को ऊपर उठा लिया. पेट को आप अंदर की तरफ खींच रहे. Pull your stomach in and bring it down. So this was more like a trial round. Let's try to hold it for 10 seconds. If you can do more, I'm going to count 10 and then I'm going to count 10 more. You have two options. You can continue for 20 seconds or you can hold only for 10. Ready? 3, 2, 1, lift up. 10, 9,
પુશ અપ કરવાનું છે.
7, 6,
ખાલી ફ્લાઇંગ
5,
પોઝ.
4,
પૂરેપૂરું
3,
શરીર ઉઠાવવાનું.
2, 1. Hold and 10 more.
કેપેસિટી
10,
પ્રમાણે કેપેસિટી પ્રમાણે
9, 8, or you can relax like this. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and bring it down with a big smile on the face. He like this.
ના થયું એટલે
જયશ્રીબેનને કે થોડા ઓછા કરજો ને
And let go. Stretch your hands in the front.
માંડ આયા છે.
હા પહેલી વારમાં
Lift your
કેપેસિટી
hands,
પ્રમાણે.
lift your legs up together. हाथ और पैरों को एक साथ ऊपर उठाओ. अगर मुश्किल लगी तो एक एक कर सकते
हाथ और पैरों को एक साथ उठाओ મૂકો આપણા માટે ઘરે અત્યારે હું ચોક ધોઉં ના વાળું ના સાફ કરું.
and bring it down. Makarasan. Relax your whole body.
એક પગ ઊંચો આમ જો આ વક્રાસન આવી રીતે કરાવે પગી જવાનું આપણે નહીં હોય તો એ શું થશે ખાવું હશે થશે નહીં ખાવું હોય તેલ લેવા ગયું તો પછી થોડું આપણા માટે
Mentally chant 3 times. I am healthy. I am happy. 3 बार मन में संकल्प ले. मैं स्वस्थ हूँ. मैं खुश हूँ.
ખોખું ગયું ચોખ્ખું થયું
હું 2 દિવસ ના હોય મારા રૂમમાં કેટલું ભરાઈ જાય મને લાગે છે મારા રૂમમાં પેલું ના પડે
Slowly sit up. धीरे से उठ के बैठ जाए. Take a deep breath in. Hold it, and for no reason. Now, today we are going to do cooking laughter. What does that mean? हमको आज क्या करना है? आज हमको खाना बनाना है, ठीक है? तो पहले खाना कैसे बनाएंगे? सबसे पहले आटा गूंदेंगे. ये.
લોટ બાંધ દે
उसके बाद अब हम रोटी बनाएंगे. रोटी कैसे बनाते हैं? ऐसे करो. ये. एक बार दोबारा करेंगे, ठीक है? रेडी? ये. अब देखो रोटी गोल बनी है क्या? हमारा तो नक्शा बन गया.
ક્યાં રોટી બની
अब रोटी सेकेंगे. ये. ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी डू, हमको अब सब्जी काटनी है, ठीक है? तो ऐसे सब्जी, आपका चॉपिंग बोर्ड है ऐसे. अब चौक लगाएंगे कैसे? अब हमारी पूरी लाफ्टर मील रेडी हो गई है, ठीक है? अब क्या करेंगे? थोड़ी सी रोटी लो, थोड़ी सी सब्जी लो, खा के देखो.
बहुत बढ़िया
नहीं, थोड़ा नमक कम हो गया, हल्का सा नमक. आप टेस्ट करो. Okay. So everything that you do, you can do it with a laughter. कुछ भी कर रहे हो, कुछ काम कर रहे हो, कोई बोरिंग सा काम है, ऐसे करना है. This is such an important skill in today's time. If you can be happy, if you can be in a good mood for no reason at all, like this. Okay. So this is what our laughter exercise is. It is so good for your breathing, right? Like every time you have to laugh, you have to breathe out and you have to take a deep breath in. नाक से सांस लेनी है और हम हंसते हैं तो सांस बाहर जाती है and it becomes longer also. ठीक है? So the last laughter that we are going to do, it's called Wi-Fi laughter.
શરૂ રાખો જ્યોતિબેન શરૂ રાખો
Search for the laughter.
2 3 શરૂ રાખો એ બધા કરો નકલ ગુસ્સો આવે તો શું
इनमें चला गया. ढूंढो. Very good.
Very good.
Yay! Come on, one more time. छोटे बच्चे जैसे.
વેરી ગુડ.
Yay! One last time.
વેરી ગુડ. વેરી ગુડ.
Okay, let's stretch our hands up. Parvatasana. Stretch, 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 stretch.
સ્ટ્રેચ કરો ઉપર આજ.
And make a fist of your right hand. Hold your right wrist with your left at the back. Go forward and down for Yoga Mudra.
ના ના હાથમાં ઓલું લીધું ને તમે જોયું તો ખરી પણ એ ચાવી
And slowly come back up. Okay, so 3 days more to go. Remember, we will do music and movement on Saturday, and our diet session is on Sunday. So 5 तारीख को हम
ચલો આપણે હસી લઈશું જે એક્શન કરી હમણાં એ ફરી એક રાઉન્ડ બરોબર. જ્યોતિબેન કરાવી દો. જ્યોતિબેન
અરે જગ્યા ખાલી
સાઈડ
આના શોર્ટ
આવી
કરીને અલગ કરો બહુ લાંબો વિડિયો પછી શું કરું છું
આપણે હસી લઈશું. હમણાં હાલ હસતા હતા એ આપણે અવાજ કરી અને હસીશું. અવાજ કરી અને હસીશું. બધાએ બોલવાનું જોડે બરાબર નકલ.
ગરમી લાગી જે લઈને આયા તો પાછું નહીં લીધું લાલ બગલિયો ક્લાસમાં બહુ આજના ક્લાસમાં બહુ મજા
ગુસ્સો આવે તો આ સ્ટેપ લઈ લેવાના.
બધાને પોતપોતાના માટે કાર્ય પાડી દઈશું 1 2 ખબર નથી બધાના નામ પછી પૂછીએ પણ બધાને વેલકમ 1 ચાલો રાવણનું હાસ્ય થોડું જોડે કરી નાખશું
રાવણ કી હસી.
મોટી મોટી રાવણ જેવી આપણે રાવણને ઝાટકા જેવું કરો ચાલો સિંહાસન કરી લઈએ આવી જઈશું સિંહાસન એક શ્વાસ ઊંડો લઈશું અને એક મોટો શ્વાસ લઈને જીભ બહાર કાઢતા મોટો અવાજ કરીશું ને આંખો ખુલ્લી અને પછી માથું નીચે કરી દેવાનો અવાજ નીકળી ગયા પછી 1 2 3 સ્ટાર્ટ ઊંડો શ્વાસ પરિવાર પરિવાર ગળા